In today's video, we are going to be learning how to create our own eye-catching thumbnail step by step using our picture and using all the right top we want. Like, I'm going to take you through the canvas journey, how to create your own eye-catching thumbnail. Like, YouTube is so oversaturated, and it's only people that know their A game that their videos are moving, going viral, catching viewers. And if you want to sleep on it and you're just reluctant in creating your own thumbnail, so if you're a total beginner and don't know what a thumbnail is, like, a thumbnail is like a picture cover that you put on your video in order to attract people to come and watch that particular video. So that is what a thumbnail is. So thumbnail is the picture that you saw before you click this my particular video. That first video, that first picture that you saw before you click this particular video is what is called a thumbnail. And in today's video, we are going to be learning how to create our own thumbnail from the scratch. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you and we are going to learn it step by step. So let's get straight into it. This is my screen. We are heading to InShot to go remove the background of our photo. So before now, you must have gotten the photo that you want to use to create your own thumbnail. And this is InShot. I'm pressing that photo. I'm going to import the picture that we are going to use to create our thumbnail. So this is the picture that I selected. We are going to remove the background. So search through that down part. You are going to see cut out. Press on that cut out. That cut out is going to remove the background of your picture, and this is it. You have automatically removed it. You import it inside your phone, and we are heading back to Canva. This is Canva. We are heading over to Canva. If you don't have Canva in your phone, you can go ahead and download it. When you click Canva, this is the interfacing that you're going to see, and you're going to go to search inbox and type YouTube thumbnail. And you're going to see series of thumbnails that are going to appear, and make sure that you don't click the one that has a crown image. That crown image signifies Canva Pro, so you are going to choose the free one since we are using free Canva. So I'm going to choose the one that is free in all this thumbnail. I'm going to click it. We are not making use of this thumbnail. We are going to change everything about this thumbnail. We just want to get the frame, and once you put it, this is what you are going to have. We are going to start deleting all the things that we import because we don't need it. The only thing we need is the frame. And after removing it, we are going to go ahead and change the frame background color if you want to change yours. So I went ahead to change mine to red or pinkish, red white color, and which you can also play with the colors. So after I finish editing this my thumbnail, I went ahead to change the color to brown. So that means you can play with the colors and also change the colors anytime you like. So I'm just showing you. You can walk around with the app. It's so handy. So after removing the colors or importing our own color, we are going to go ahead and import that image in camera roll. So click camera roll, you import the image that we save from InShot, and once we import it, this is what you are going to have. So you have to use your hand and zoom it in or zoom it out so that it will be more fuller or larger on the background. Like, you see what I'm doing with my hand. So you have to use two of your fingers and zoom it out so that it will look finer. And you can also play with the position of your image. Anywhere you want to place your image, you are allowed to do it. So after placing your image, you click on text and you're going to import that heading where you want to write your letters. So after importing the head, you can also play around with it and place it anywhere you want to place your letters. And once you place it, you press on edit and start writing what you want. After writing what you want, you can also go ahead and change colors. So don't go and write what you want at once. This is how you play around with colors, because if you write at once, you cannot be able to play around with colors. So once you import your first heading right up, you are going to write the first thing you want to write, zoom it out, and also leave it or change the color you want. After getting everything you want, you press on that text again, import another add heading and put it under. You go ahead and write what you want again. So I'm importing another add heading. So I want to change colors, so that is why I'm adding many headings. So if you do it at once, you won't be able to change the colors. And this is me. I've added YouTube thumbnail. So I want to change this YouTube thumbnail to red. So I'm basically going to go ahead and press that red color
or black color, or you play with any colors that you want. So this app is so friendly. I love it so much. I play with the color you want and the color that is eye-catching and fine, and you know that is fine. So while playing with the colors, I noticed that my background color was obstructing that my YouTube thumbnail color. Like it was making the color not to come out so fine. So what I did is to automatically change my background color, because I have been changing this YouTube color so that the color will come out so nice. It's like this red is covering everything and I don't like it. So this is what I'm saying: you have the leverage to do anything you like at any time you like. So what you are going to do, press on that box and go ahead and change the color. And now I change it to brown. So press on anything you want and you change the color, or delete anything you want. And once I change the color, what I did was to go and change that my YouTube thumbnail to red, so that you see that this red is coming out well. But wait, this is not our end product. What I did was to go to element and go and import YouTube write up. So go to your element, import your YouTube write up. In case you don't have YouTube logo, you can go over to the box and type YouTube logo. Like you will see a small box there, and search for your YouTube logo, and your YouTube logo is going to come out, and you see the free ones that you can work with. You will now select it. So this is how I was arranging my thumbnail step by step. I went ahead to use that logo instead of my own write-up. You see how beautiful it's looking. Yeah, you work with your instincts. Like, allow your creativity to guide you. So after writing my YouTube logo, I went ahead to shift my image. Like, you have to allow your creativity to guide you. Like I said, create your YouTube thumbnail, and I have not finished writing what I had in mind. So I went ahead to import another heading, and I went ahead to write from scratch with Canva. So when I wrote from scratch with Canva, which is the thumbnail that you saw when you click on this our video, so this is the thumbnail that we created. So I created a thumbnail with you people. So once I'm done writing and setting everything, I went ahead to click on that element again. I want to import an image that I will put where this my hand is pointing. Let it not be that is empty. I went ahead to import a YouTube logo again. Like I said, you can see that there is box on top of that place that you can write or search anything that you want. So I went ahead to compress it so that it will fit where my hand is. Like I said, you can use your two fingers to compress and enlarge any image of your choice. And once I'm done with it, this is how it's looking. It was looking so nice and fine. So I'm done with it right now. So I'm done with YouTube the thumbnail. I'm going to go ahead and import it. This is where you import it. Those arrows that are pointing down and up, just go ahead and press on anyone you press is going to download directly inside your phone gallery. So once you are done changing and doing everything in that your thumbnail, and you know that you are satisfied, you are going to go ahead and press on one of the arrows, and you are going to see save inside your phone, and you press the save as an image, and you are going to allow it to rotate. Like, allow this water to cover all the image, and once it's covered all the image or all the thumbnail, this is what you are going to see: camera roll, save to camera roll. And when you go back to your camera gallery, you are going to see the thumbnail sitting pretty in your gallery. So we are done setting our thumbnail. So this is the end of the video.
Tara, we have successfully created that our YouTube thumbnail, and you can now go ahead and start creating yours. And while creating yours, be creative and make it attractive. Despite the fact that they always hammer on making your thumbnail attractive, while working on your thumbnail, also work on your videos, so that whenever people click that thumbnail, they are going to watch your video from the beginning to the end, and they are not going to skip. And also make sure that your video has value. It has value that can solve real problem, like actual problem. So that is it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also press that notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime we upload our video. And if you have watched to this point, thanks for watching. I love you, don't forget that. And see you in my next video, my lovers. Bye bye.